The National Environment Management Authority, NEMA, is a government agency with a mandate to coordinate, supervise, monitor and regulate all matters related to the environment in Uganda. During the strategic period of financial year 2020-2021 to 2024-2025, NEMA focused on 5 key result areas. 1. Compliance with environmental laws and standards. 2. Environmental governance, partnerships and coordination. 3. Environmental literacy and corporate image. 4. Environmental planning, research, innovation and development. And finally, institutional systems and capacity. In this period, NEMA developed 7 regulations and 2 guidelines to operationalize the National Environment Act, established the Environment Protection Force (EPF), conducted institutional restructuring introducing 7 new units, achieved a 43% in non-tax revenue collection alongside a 71.5% rise in environmental compliance. Working with other stakeholders, NEMA restored over 1.2 million hectares of wetlands, reversing cover loss from 8.9% in 2017 to 13.9% by 2025, ranking Uganda among global leaders in wetland protection. Reversed forest cover loss from 9% in 2015 to 13% in 2025. Under wildlife conservation, mountain gorilla population increased from only 292 individuals in 1995 to over 459 in 2025. Elephants population increased from 1,900 in 1995 to over 8,342 in 2025. However, with air quality, Uganda's air quality also improved from an annual mean average of 35 micrograms per cubic meter of PM2.5 in 2019 to 13 micrograms per cubic meter in 2025, which is classified by the World Health Organization as good. Enforcement increased by over 144%, while over 202 waste management facilities were licensed annually to manage pollution. Furthermore, there has been a substantial growth in public awareness campaigns. Environmental audits processed per year have increased by over 500%, while processing of environmental and social impact assessment certificates has improved by approximately 500%. Looking ahead, the government of Uganda has prioritized sustainable environmental management in its Vision 2040 and the National Development Plan 4. For the financial year 2025-2026 to 2029-2030 strategic period, NEMA will promote ecological integrity and sustainable use of environment, focusing on 5 key areas. 1. Environmental governance and coordination. 2. Environmental quality and ecological integrity. 3. Environmental education, awareness and mainstreaming. 4. Compliance with environmental laws and standards, and finally, institutional systems and capacity. Cross-cutting issues such as gender, climate change, innovation and ICT, disability, anti-corruption, and HIV/AIDS have been integrated into the plan. NEMA's strategic direction includes reducing degraded wetlands, increasing compliance to 85%, expanding environmental mainstreaming among lead agencies, enhancing farmer resilience to climate change, and finally, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, among others. The implementation of this plan will cost approximately 295 billion Ugandan shillings, with 270 billion Ugandan shillings appropriated by the government of Uganda, leaving a funding gap of 24 billion Ugandan shillings. While Uganda continues to face emerging issues such as population pressure, degradation through soil erosion and deforestation, pollution of air, water and land, vulnerability to climate change, and limited monitoring capacity, yet green growth remains a driver for sustainable development and wealth creation. NEMA, ensuring sustainable development.